The freedom of being able to get in the car.
Just everything that's going on, good stress reliever.
The freedom. Just get up and go. It's stuck. I have a 2000 Subaru 2.5 RS Coupe.
So this one right here, it's a 2002 WRX wagon, and the other one I have is a 2016 STI.
I drive a 1996 Subaru Impreza that has been 2.5 RS converted without the motor yet.
I don't know, I think it's high school. Kind of that's what really got me interested in cars being, you know, I went to a predominantly Asian high school, so it was that scene back in the early 90s, you know, so that's what really got me into it. Get away, you know, freedom to, you know, just get up and go, man, you're not stuck. You know, the drive, it's soothing, it's almost like meditating in a sense. I mean, it's kind of in your face. You see it on the news all the time. Yeah, it's just, it's a sad thing. Yeah. The media does, you know, everyone just kind of look down on cars, especially people that are interested in it, you know. It's like you're not just going out and buying a car, you're buying a car and you're making it you, and then you're out there doing certain things. And unfortunately, there's more bad apples than not that makes it be frowned upon for people like us that are out there doing different things. We're not doing negative things, we're doing positive things. So it kind of gives us a, you know, we get a black eye for somebody else. You know, as a group, we've done a few different things. I mean, doing raising one of the guys I used to cruise with the military, set up a nice thing to give donations for Better Women's Center, you know, women's center with children and stuff like that, getting donations for that. Cruise for a Cause, another car community here in Tucson, doing things for people that are essential workers in the beginning of COVID. You know, donations, giving gift cards to these people that are still working because we didn't know what was going on, COVID was hitting. Got together and did a toy drive, meet, raffle, a bunch of people come donate toys that we can do a nice little cruise to Banner Children's Hospital during Christmas to bring them toys. We try to do positive things and try to, because we just do it because it just feels right, you know, so.
So this is like, yeah, this is home base. I had a garage at my last house that was like a 2-car oversized garage. And Tanner and I grew up with each other. We're hometown, like from little kids, our parents, we grew up all together, so.
Subarus.
Mainly
Subarus.
Anything Subaru.
We first started doing vinyl wrap, and then we did motor swaps, so just mainly anything Subaru. Just tear it up. To clear your mind, pretty much. Just everything that's going on, good stress reliever.
You just being able to go, and if like we want to go up the mountain, that's being able to feel that freedom. Always being able to go out and just, you know, cruise.
And the whole car culture together too. Like going on cruises, you cruise with other people. They all have the same interests as you. We all go together. We all experience the same stuff together. Everyone has the same interests. It's a good experience.
After being able to build your car, knowing the work that you put into it, then going out and feeling what you're doing, tighten this, you know, suspension-wise, sway bars, doing all these little stuff to go corners, being like, oh, it needs more stuff. That's always like, that's that addiction. It's fun.
The attention you get from other people too. Like for us, vinyl wrap, cosmetic stuff, changing color, crazy colors, getting like thumbs up from people, people rolling down their window at stoplights, telling you you have a nice car, parking lots, seeing their reactions is pretty awesome too. Just having your own individualized car with your own touches on it. Makes it nice, makes it nice, makes it nice. We all experience the same stuff together. Everyone has the same interests.
You know, if you're gonna do something, go out there and race, do it on the track.